Welcome to my mom's channel.
Hello!
Hello.
Okay, so today we're going to make... What are we going to cook?
Ensaymada.
For making ensaymada, we're going to need 1/2 cup of room temperature butter, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 1/4 cup of milk,
Yeah.
salt,
Yeah.
8 grams of weak rice instant yeast, 3 pieces of egg yolk, and 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. With the milk, I'm going to warm it up in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Yeah. So we're back.
So first, what we're going to do is...
Mix.
Excuse Mommy Palanda. I need to get something. Yay!
Yeah. And first
I'm
we
going
need-
to put the quick rice instant yeast in the all-purpose flour.
Yeah. So I think we have to use all of it.
You wanna mix it, baby?
Yeah.
Now we can start mixing the butter. Okay, baby, that's enough.
Okay. Great idea. It's a great idea, Mom.
Okay. Now that the butter is soft, I'm going to put the sugar and salt.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put the milk. I'm going to put half of the flour and the yeast
Yeah.
mixture.
Let me see. Whoa.
Just half of it.
There's more. There's more. Mom, I told you there's more.
I know.
Bang. And
So we're going to mix it for 3 to 5 minutes and at medium speed until we achieve a paste-like consistency.
timer. Timer is more. Let's put it on, Mommy. Timer is running off. The timer is running off. The timer is running off.
The good thing about having a hand mixer is
Timer is running off.
while it's mixing, you can do
Timer.
some things like cleaning up your
Timer is running
working
off.
area.
The timer is running off. You have to hurry up, Mommy. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Yeah. Hurry. Faster. Faster. Wait. Are you done yet?
Not yet.
Oh, come on, do it.
Not yet. We'll wait till it says 3 minutes.
3 minutes. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Whoops. So after mixing for 3 minutes, that's how it looks like. Now we're going to add 3 egg yolks
Yeah. Ah,
and the rest of the flour.
yeah.
Flour and yeast mixture. No need to proof the yeast because we're using the quick rice instant dry yeast. Okay.
Yeah. So you're done?
So now we're going to mix it for another 3 minutes at medium speed.
Yeah. Timer.
Okay, timer starts already.
Hurry, mixer.
Okay.
It's so fast.
Let me see. Says medium speed.
Medium speed.
Okay. Now we'll have to change our hook. Let's put the dough hook first.
No hook.
Dough hook.
Hook. Really good Captain Hook.
Captain Hook hook.
Pretend I'm having hook.
Are you Captain Hook? Are you pretending to be Captain Hook?
No.
Now you know.
You're Captain Hook.
Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. No. I'm not Captain Hook. Maybe
Yeah.
you are. Okay.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm a girl. Almost done.
I'm going to use the same pan where I put the flour and yeast mixture earlier. And I put some cooking oil on it. Stop. That's it.
Yeah.
3 minutes is over. Look at that.
See, look at this. Look, it's broken. Yeah, is it good hook?
This one's straight.
Yeah. Yeah. Look. Whoa! Is there more?
A little bit more.
There you go.
And then,
That's it.
not yet. We're going to cover it. I covered it with this one. And let's wait for the volume to double in size. Depending on the if the room is warm, it would only take like 30 minutes. But since like right now it's cold, it could take like 30 minutes to 1 hour to double in size. But sometimes it works like sometimes I put it under a lampshade or by the window, and it helps for the dough to rise faster. By the window. So let's check our it's almost doubled in size. So we'll wait for a few more minutes. So here's our ensaymada dough. After it's more than an hour actually, because it's not that warm right now. So there you go. Ooh. I love the smell. I don't have a dough cutter, so I use a knife to cut the dough. So here you go, our super soft dough. Oops. I'm gonna need more flour here. And I'm going to put some softened unsalted butter with icing sugar. I'm gonna spread it there. Okay, and then roll it. Okay, and then so this is how you make it. This one. Very soft. Ooh. Look how small it is, and later we'll see how big it becomes. Last one. Now we're going to cover it and we'll wait till it doubles in size and then we'll bake it. Probably it will take 30 minutes to an hour.
Ding ding.
Ding ding, there's my little helper for today.
Oh.
Hi baby.
Hi.
Hi.
And in your video.
So there's our ensaymada, ready to be baked. These are cooked ensaymada. Ooh. Butter, margarine, actually star margarine. I bought it from a Filipino store. Star margarine and sugar. I'll start with this one. I waited till it cools off a bit because it will melt the margarine. Sprinkle it with white sugar. I have a customer waiting already. First one goes to
Me. Good. Really
Is
good.
it your new favorite now? How about my pandesal?
It's a close third.
Third, what's the second?
Croissants.
Okay, fine. can actually use butter of your choice, but since I was able to find the star margarine here, so why not put the star margarine? The traditional ensaymada back home is just use margarine and star margarine and then sprinkled with white sugar. So I'm gonna try this. Very soft. Very, very soft siya. Thank you for watching my video of making ensaymada. If you're new to my channel, why don't you subscribe now and like my videos. Thank you. So there's our ensaymada. We ate 3 already, 2 for my son and 1 for me. And he liked it. Sofia is not in eating mood for now, so maybe she'll eat later.